How to download Exness app in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To download the Exness application in your mobile device, it is pretty simple. So firstly, if you are an Android user, go ahead and tap open your Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, go ahead and launch your App Store in your device. In your Play Store, you need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then in the search bar, go ahead and type in Exness. Here, click on the application. Now, if you have not installed it, you will see the button of install right over here instead of open. You need to click on the install bubble. After a certain time, the application will download in your device. Mind it might take a while depending upon your network speed and as well as your phone storage. Once it has been installed, you can tap open. Now to continue, you can log in or sign up into Exness app. If you are new, tap on the register button, or if you already have an account, you can use on the option of sign in, or you can tap on Google to log in using a Google account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.